So our agenda today would be, trends and challenges. So it's really not, I think I didn't know how to actually present here. Do I talk a lot about Impulsis and ipublishcentral, or do we really talk about, what we're seeing in the whole online space and what we're doing with the customers? And so what I'm focusing on for the first, majority of the presentation is really what we're seeing in the industry, and then the last bit I'll just talk about what we're trying to do in terms of revolutionizing the whole e-publishing online content delivery industry. So talk a little bit about trends and the challenges that as a publisher as a publisher faces. Then talk about a few case studies of what we preach to our customers and successes that have what we've seen in the market, and of companies that are market leaders within the industry, and really how can you take those lessons and actually use it for yourselves to do online delivery. Then based on that success, what are the key components for you to actually put in place your strategy for online delivery. And then the big shebang at the end would be our solution, which is ipublishcentral, and why we believe that this could be something that will revolutionize the market. Just to give you a quick 2 slides on who we are as a company. I mean, we've been around for the last 8 years, and we've done a tremendous amount of work for thousands of projects across all kinds of publishers, both billion-dollar publishers as well as these small $1 million publishers. We spend millions of dollars on our technologies. Our core technologies are our iPlatform, virtual pages, and iDAMs, and we built this over the last 4 years. And this is not new technology; it's been in play. We're serving millions of readers around the world on a daily basis, powering a lot of publishers with their online delivery infrastructure. But what's really exciting for us is all this years and investment in our product. We actually put all that learning together and launched ipublishcentral at Frankfurt. And this is really a self-service model, leveraging, the idea is to help the publisher without really putting any money down to experiment with their overall online strategy. And literally, it's been a tremendous success. We've worked with so many publishers, and we're sitting pretty in the sense we understand exactly the different challenges that publishers have, and it's pretty amazing how you could be a McGraw-Hill or a small $1 million publisher, but the macro challenges that they face are pretty much the same. But it's the politics and the different departments that get in the way in terms of how they actually execute their strategy. So, but we, being supportive and strategic partners for our customers, we actually see all the different types of challenges that they face, and it's amazing how similar the key points that they face. But I think what I'd like you guys to take away from this presentation is 4 key things, and we push and preach this to our customers. There is a trend. Print is slowly, dying. The pace of that really depends on which market. But there is an exciting opportunity in front of you. So really, we tell all our publishers to experiment. Literally, you've got to experiment. You've got to try this whole online world and figure out what's going to work for you in your particular market. It's not like certain things that might work for certain markets might not work for you, but you've got to figure out what actually works within your market. Second part is you've got to go online because you've got to get discovered. And there's multiple ways to get discovered. So it is absolutely critical to get your content ready, so to experience the long tail and all those words that are out there. But it is critical for you to actually move online so that you can get discovered in all the different outlets that might be right for you in your market. The third part is control, and it's a big question. Is it just pushing content out and having it available in all the different outlets? But we believe that the publisher needs to control their future and control their destiny. And I'll talk about